Welcome back. In this training video, we'll learn how to use the FOURA Navigator. To begin, let's take a moment and explore the Navigator's layout. There are 5 areas of the form that every user should be familiar with. These areas are the main menu, the submenu, the functional menu, the header, and the status bar. Let's take a closer look at the main menu. The main menu is located in the lower left corner of the Navigator, and some of you are probably wondering why it's in the lower left corner. Well, most users will only ever need to select one or two of the main menu categories. This means that they'll work mostly from the submenu above and the functional menu to the right throughout the day. So we've moved the main menu out of the way so that the other two menus can be side by side. This alignment helps our users be more efficient and more effective. Just above the main menu is the submenu. The submenu provides easy access to all the functional areas within the main menu topic. To the right of the submenu is the functional menu, where the menu icons are displayed. To open any of the functional menu items, just do a single click on the menu icon. The form will open in the last position where it was displayed on your monitor. Each form has a form code, also referred to as a menu code. To view it, all you have to do is select the Help menu and then view the form code. Now let's talk about the menu code field in the header. As I move the cursor over a menu icon, a unique 3-letter code is displayed in the menu code entry area. Some users will memorize the menu codes for forms they frequently use. This allows them to enter the 3-digit code in the menu code entry area field in the header and go directly to the form they want without going through the menu tree. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to enter the menu code DIS and press enter. As you can see, it immediately brought up the discounts form. Now, this is much faster than selecting Sales and Pricing menu, then selecting Pricing from the submenu, and then selecting the Discounts menu icon to bring up the discounts form. Now, this method isn't for everyone. But as you get more proficient with FOURA, you may want to leverage this tip in the future. Now let's talk about the status bar. The first field from the left will periodically display messages as FOURA is used. The next field displays the name of the database that you're logged into. You can see here that we are currently logged into the FOURA test database. The next field to the right displays the name of the user that is logged in. And if you right-click on that username, a context menu appears. The Preferences option provides some specific workflow controls for the user. It should be known that not all of these apply to everyone. The Reset Forms option will reset all saved form positions and sizes back to the original out-of-box configuration for the user. The Security Rules option allows users to see what security rules have been assigned by the local FOURA administrator. This may explain why some menu icons are grayed out and are inaccessible to the user. The Change Password option allows users to change their password. The next field to the right displays the last user login date. If you log in and log out every day, this effectively becomes the current date. The shield to the lower right-hand corner indicates whether or not the connection between the user's computer and the database is encrypted. A green shield confirms that data traveling between your computer and the server is being encrypted in motion. The database color band is the very bottom of the Navigator and provides confirmation that you're working in the correct database. Users will typically see a matching FOURA blue color band for the production database and a bright yellow color band to indicate the user's logged into the training database. Before we wrap up, I'd like to talk about usability. Like other forms in FOURA, the Navigator can be positioned anywhere on your screen, and FOURA will remember the last location of the Navigator. So when you log out and log back in, the FOURA Navigator will appear in its last known location at its last known size. FOURA users will often leave multiple forms open throughout the day, and sometimes this causes the Navigator to be buried under other forms and applications. And through experience, I can tell you it can be a little frustrating at times to minimize a whole bunch of windows to find what we're looking for. But there are 2 easy ways to locate the Navigator. The first way is to hover the mouse over that FOURA icon in the taskbar. This will display all the FOURA forms that are open and you can select a Navigator from here. The second way works if you're actively using another FOURA form. Simply press the F11 key to bring the FOURA Navigator to the front. Well, that wraps up this tutorial. Please be sure to check out additional tutorials to learn more about FOURA's powerful features, processes, and tips. Thanks for watching.